Let's practice our Lebanese Arabic pronunciation by trying these 4 similar sounding words together. Number 1, fasid, corruption. Fasid. The fa is short, the sid is long. Fasid. Number 2, fasid, corrupt is the adjective. Fasid. The fa is long, the sid is short. Fasid. Number 3, fasid, tattletale, the child who goes and tells all the secrets. Fasid. There is a long seed and there is also a shadda, a stress on the s. Fasid. Number 4 is the verb of fasid in the past tense. We say fassad. It means he went and said all the secrets. Fassad. The fa is short and the sad is also short. Fassad. So let's repeat. Number 1, fasid, corruption. Number 2, fasid, corrupt. Number 3, fasid, tattletale. Number 4, fassad, he went and said the secrets.